Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies, for your love energy, and I'll be picking one card from the Rumi Oracle deck. So these are for your daily energies, Virgos. This is for your career situation, guys, and this is for your relationship. And I'll be picking one card from the Rumi deck. These oracle cards are just a guidance, guys. So whatever deep thoughts we may have, or some confusions in our situation, so these cards will answer that. So for your daily energies, Virgos, 10 of Pentacles in reverse, 7 of Pentacles in reverse, and the Hangman in reverse. So with these cards, guys, the energy for y'all, this is a general reading, guys. So this may relate to your work situation or your relationship, guys. That is what I see here. So with this card, guys, maybe for some of y'all, you may be facing some stressful situations, guys. Maybe some misunderstandings, some struggles in your life, something, some kind of stressful situations you may be going through. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of y'all, you may be facing some loss in your business, or some troubles, obstacles in your business, or even some kind of theft. Maybe for some of y'all, you need to be really careful, guys. There is a chance of theft happening, maybe in your residence or in your office, or when you go out. You need to be really careful today, guys. That is what I see here, Virgos. And maybe for some of you, you may be getting gifts, maybe some parents gifting you, or your wife's parents or your person's parents, they may be gifting you something. So some kind of gifts are there, that energy is there with these cards, guys. So, and for some of you, in your work situation or in your personal life, some people, they may feel that you are very selfish, self-centered. You think about you all the time, and you do you live your life according to how it pleases you. You do not have any concern for others, and they may feel this way about you, that you are immature and selfish in some way. Maybe this is your energy towards this relationship, or it may be your person's energy towards this relationship, guys. So some kind of someone is selfish, maybe you or your person. That is what I see here. So what is the card for your career situation? The Magician. So with this card, guys, for your work situation, you will have that intuition, that inspiration to take up the path, whatever it is, and make things manifest, guys. So you are clearly seeing your goals, whatever you need to do, and you have that self confidence, that skill and ability in your work to make that efforts and to reach your goals. So something very positive. You have a very positive mindset in your career situation, guys. You feel that you can make anything work, and you have that ability and skill to do it. That is what I see here with this card. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, guys. It's 8 of Wands in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe for some of you all, in your relationship, it may be some kind of a stressful situation, guys. Your person may be feeling very jealous of you, or you may be feeling jealous about your person because of their achievements or something, or how they handle things. Some kind of jealousy is there, and you may be having some misunderstandings also. And maybe for some of you all, you may be into some kind of you may be doing some mistakes, or you may be doing things without their awareness. So some kind of guilty conscience is also there. So you feel really stressed and troubled today, guys, in this relationship. Some mistakes you are doing, and it is really troubling you, guys, Virgos. That is what I see here. So though in your career situation you have that confidence and courage, in your relationship things are not going so well, guys. Maybe that is the reason with the previous cards we saw some kind of negative energy. So some fights or some stressful situations happening. That is what we saw here. Maybe this person feels that you are really selfish, so that may be the reason for some misunderstandings or struggles. Maybe they see that you are not helping them, or you may feel that they are not helping you in your situation. That may give rise to some kind of arguments or stressful situations, guys, Virgos. That is what I see here. Let us see what is the oracle guidance card for you all, guys. The Rumi card. So this card may or may not relate to your current situation, guys, but it is a general guidance. So any deep thoughts you have, some confusion regarding something, or some questions that you have in your mind, let's think about it for a minute, and we will turn the card now. These cards must be read straight, guys, not in reverse. Dance of the Divine Feminine. With this card, guys, the message for you all Virgos is that you may be holding on to a person, a place, or a thing, or a belief, or something strongly. So this is the time for you to let it grow, because that wants to grow, whatever you are holding on, and it may change into something very different, guys. So it is the time for you to let that go. Maybe your past, or maybe this person, your attachments, or whatever it is. So whatever growth that is happening, you will feel that you will need to let it go in order for that thing to grow, and also for you to feel that sense of peace in yourself, guys. So you do not have to worry that you may be thinking that your world is coming to an end because you are letting go of that thing. Losing something that you have loved till now. So this struggle, some kind of stress that is associated with you letting that thing go, is needed for you to go deeper in yourself, get that understanding of what you are, and put your focus on your heart. So you need to realize that you may not need that thing to see that happiness in yourself, guys. So that is what this card is about. Things are already getting better, so you need to understand that maybe some things which you are not ready to give up, it is in the verge of leaving you. You have to just accept that situation as it is, guys. So that is what this card is about, and that is the guidance for you all today, guys. Maybe you had some confusion regarding something, so this is the oracle guidance for you all Virgos, and this is a reading, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye Virgos.